Welcome to SeaNet Cybersecurity Team's case study presentation. This project showcases the first vessel in Korea certified with DNV Cyber Secure Essential SP1. Plus notation. The TSAKOS shuttle tanker SN2654, built by Samsung Heavy Industries. This milestone represents a shift from compliance-based security to evidence-based cybersecurity verification, where every test was performed under DNV's direct supervision. This vessel, named Athens 04, is owned by TSAKOS and classed by DNV. It belongs to a two-ship series SN2654 and SN2655 and was built under the July 2021 DNV Rules. The vessel was designed to meet the Cyber Secure Essential SP1 Plus level, which means even critical functions such as dynamic positioning DP and bow loading system BLS were included in the cybersecurity verification scope. SeaNet provided both documentation and onboard services as system integrator, covering every aspect from design documentation to physical inspection. SeaNet's scope covered three main areas: system integration for documentation control, creating the asset inventory, zone and conduit diagram, and cybersecurity design description in line with DNV rules. Onboard survey, performing pre-inspections, system tests, and integration tests at multiple stages. Hardware supply, providing necessary cybersecurity hardware, including secure firewalls and networking equipment. Every activity was aligned with DNV's Cyber Secure Essential SP1, plus class notation. All required documents, tests, and schedules were delivered according to DNV's compliance structure. During inspection of the generator engine area, we confirmed that installation was completed after commissioning, and thus proceeded directly to the survey without a separate pre-inspection. One PC ICMS was identified as containing unnecessary software such as Skype. It was removed to minimize vulnerabilities. Port scan results showed ports 139 and 445 open, which are commonly known as SMB vulnerabilities. Following DNV's request, Windows firewall settings were modified to close these ports. As VSAT was not yet configured, Wi-Fi routers were temporarily used for remote testing, which passed successfully without additional comments from class. For Kongsberg's control systems, BMS, ICMS, and DP, we detected differences between documentation submitted for TA certification and the actual installed equipment on the vessel. For instance, IKS 6728A was replaced by IKS 6726A in the ICMS network, and EDR 801A was replaced by EDR 408A in the DP segment. SeaNet verified and updated these items before and after each survey. Unused ports were logically disabled, and software versions on DP controllers were updated before the second survey. BMS and ICMS networks were verified through remote access initiated by Kongsberg's GAOJ office. For DP, remote access was restricted to Kongsberg headquarters. So instead of live connection tests, SeaNet validated firewall rules within the IT network to confirm that external access was only possible through controlled paths. This ensured class requirements for remote access security were fully satisfied. In the navigation and communication systems, firewalls were configured both in the VDR and the VDR router. For remote testing, JRC engineers boarded the vessel, but live demonstration was not feasible during the survey. Hence, SeaNet provided photo evidence and pre-inspection logs, which were accepted by the DNV surveyor without additional findings. For the bow loading system, the commissioning was delayed, so inspection was conducted after system testing. As the vessel had already undergone TA certification, the verification process was simplified, focusing on BLS program priority. Although remote access was initially mentioned by the owner's site manager, it was confirmed that no IP was assigned and cables were not connected, meaning remote access was not used in the actual configuration. Pre-inspection and first surveys were completed before commissioning, and the second survey took place afterward. Initially, the Palo Alto PA440 was considered the OT Firewall, but later it was clarified that the Navarino Infinity Firewall covered all OT network functions, while the PA440 acted as an IPS for OT segments. DNV requested confirmation that crew Wi-Fi, IT, and OT networks were isolated. To meet this, SeaNet implemented VLAN segmentation across OT zones, control, navigation, S-vessel, and later extended to generator and main engine networks. After completing all inspections, DNV issued the official class certificate. All cybersecurity verifications were completed successfully with no comments. This project demonstrates that a Korean-built vessel can fully comply with DNV Cyber Secure Essential SP1 Plus standards, a level previously limited to European projects. From this experience, SeaNet suggests that for complex systems, with DP and BLS integration, dual-phase inspection improves efficiency, one before and one after commissioning. Furthermore, early-stage VLAN segmentation should be discussed with ship owners to enhance network separation and facilitate class approval. In conclusion, this project is not just a certification. It's proof that Korean shipyards can meet and even exceed international cybersecurity standards. SeaNet's integrated engineering, documentation, and class verification expertise has established a new cybersecurity benchmark for the Korean maritime industry. Thank you for your attention, and SeaNet is always here for you to reduce the potential cyber threats you may face. Our comprehensive cybersecurity solutions are designed specifically to meet the unique demands of maritime environments. Our dedicated team is available 24/7 to address any threats you may encounter at sea. SeaNet stands for Sea-Earth-Air Network, creating a world that connects the sea, earth, and air. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to supporting your cyber resilience journey. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to access more high-quality educational videos and stay updated on our latest training sessions.